We're going to walk through the Hemlock loop at Davidson River Campground. And over here we have site 115. It just rained, so you'll also be able to see how much water is in these sites. So here's site 115. You cut across and you'll cut through here. Big concrete pad where you park your cars. The pad for your tent. It's pretty big, lots of trees over here. Come around. As you can see, the road right there is where you come in, so you're pretty close to the road, but you do have a fire pit, picnic table, and 3 lantern hooks. That's pretty cool on here. So we'll move to the next one. Here's 114 over here. Come back through here. It's a nice spot too. You got 1 lantern hook, picnic table, right on the path. Put your tent there. There's a bridge. You can't drive across it. And the path right here goes down to the river. You can hear the roads of the car. The car's on the road, and there's the river right down there. Come back around and go back out to the road. Here's 117. Comes back here. And you can see you can come all the way back. This one's a little bit more secluded. There's trees all around, picnic table. There's 3 hooks on this lantern holder again. That's pretty cool. Fire pit where you put your tent, picnic table. Has a sign, attention, bears are in the area. So there's bears, and there's the camp spot. Here's 120 on the Hemlock loop. This is a huge spot. I think I want to stay here next time. So here's where you park your car. You have this whole area over here. Picnic table, solid picnic table, big picnic table. 3 loops, hooks for this spot for your lantern. We got the campfire pit, and it's big. And here's the trail. You go down here, over there, there's the trail, and that takes you down to the river. Here's the water. There's a couple water spots. Keep walking along. There's 121. There's people over there, so we'll leave them alone. It's pretty big. Looks secluded. 122 over here. We'll go take a look. This is a nice big spot too. All these spots are big, and they all have a good amount of privacy. So here's where you park your car. Fire pit. Camp pad. Big again. Lots of trees for a hammock. You can see your neighbors over there, not too bad. Another lantern post with 3 posts. A little bridge across. There's the trail. Follow that, and the river's right over there. A little bit farther from the river, you can't see it on this side. You have a little creek right here. And some cool mushrooms. You can go back out. Here's 123. Come back here, a little bit more open. You can see some cars back there. It's a nice big spot. The 3 lantern hook again. There's the fire pit over there. Little trail way back there to the river. Here's the tent pad. You go across. So you gotta cut through there. You can't see the river on this spot either, but it's down there through all those trees. Over there. Nice and clean. 126. There's bags here for dogs. This one has grass. So you come over here right next to the bathroom. This is pretty big. Lantern, fire pit, place to park, and camp. Everything here. This one has grass. That's cool. And the bathroom's right there, so you're real close. and has electricity. And here is 131. Also a really big spot, has electricity. 3 lantern hooks. Not far from the bathroom. And a hook. So 131, everything you need. Also by itself, pretty private. Can't see the river from these, it's all the way on the other side. There's the church. The English chapel. Here's the bridge over the Davidson River. We'll see if we can get a view of it. The water is really low right now. We were able to tube it. It was a lot of walking and everything, but it was still fun. And there's the river. You can swim down there. There's a place they made that's pretty deep. A little jumping rock, rope swing. But there's the river, and on this side over here, there's a trail you walk. So you can walk along the trail and not be messing with the camp sites. So here's the trail. Just walks along spots. See, there's a campsite over there. Keeps going right along the river. There's a lot of people that jogged this in the morning. It's kind of rooty, so don't trip and fall. But yeah, that's kind of what the trail looks like. It just keeps going.
Look how clear that is. Oh my god.
There's the jumping thing. There's a place you can jump off and the rope.